Hey, welcome to my channel. So I've been meaning to upgrade the lights in my shop for quite some time, but this became pretty urgent when I recently got a lathe that kind of sits at the end of my shop, and you can kind of see some of the bowls weren't going so well for me. I'm doing a little bit better now that I can actually see what I'm doing. But anyway, I ordered a 10-pack of LED lights off of Amazon, and the first thing I noticed when I was opening the box is that the box that they came in was really heavy duty. In fact, I actually sat down on the box for a while and it didn't even make a dent. So as of right now, July 2024, this 8-foot pack of 10 lights is $189.99 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Before I installed these, I checked every single light, and can I just say they are bright. All of them worked, and I about blinded myself with the first light. Each light comes with 4 little metal clips, and I first thought that I was going to make kind of a little template, like a strip of wood about the same length and width as the lights, and use that to be able to put them up. But then I got smart and made it much simpler by simply drilling a hole right in my little laser level, and then just screwing that into the ceiling and directing it where I wanted to go. And then I was able to put 4 clips along that line, and then I was able to snap the light in. With 4-foot lights, this probably could be a one-person job, but I quickly realized that with the 8-foot lights, I was not able to get them snapped in by myself. So just be aware of that. Maybe you're more talented than I am, but I couldn't pull it off on any of them. So it does become a 2-person job if you have the longer lights. The lights can be connected directly to each other, and then you can do up to 2 that way, or you can do up to 4 with the little cords that it comes with. So I thought that I was going to be doing 4 for the main spot, 4 for the part where the lathe is, and 2 for the other one stall in my garage, but they were so bright that I ended up doing 3, 3, and 1. So I have 3 on each circuit. I quickly realized that these lights are so bright that they kind of messed my camera up. I actually had to go in and end up changing the settings because this is pretty much what happened with only 2 lights. But this little clip is actually taken from my phone, and it is a lot more accurate with how it appears when you're actually in the shop. These lights also come with the ability to hardwire them, but I just kept it simple. I got a 3-channel remote, and each of the little circuits, I did 2 of them to each of the garage doors and then 1 to just a different outlet. So that works out really well, so I can only turn on the zone that I'm in if I want to. So anyway, if you're thinking about installing lights, these have been a fantastic upgrade. I wish I would have done this years ago, and I hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy building!